Welcome to the Math Hub, our school, Mathematics in Statu na Sendi. In today's lesson, we want to do quadratics, pure mathematics advanced level. In this particular lesson, we want to learn how to sketch the graph of y is equals to the bracket of x minus 3 squared. And this question has 4 marks. Saka question yedu yakadai so. Toda kusketch a graph ra y is equal to x minus 3 squared. Saka tiri panapa, chatofangwa kuziva, we can write y as being equal to chi? X minus 3, x minus 3. Say izvi. Tikati let y be equal to 0. Zvinoreva kuti, that is bracket ra x minus 3 ne bracket ra x minus 3 rinenge riri equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 3 or 3. Zvatinogona kunyora as x is equal to 3 twice. Panapa kana chiti x is equal to 3 twice, zvinoreva kuti we have repeated roots. And the reason yataisa this assumption yekuti let y be equal to 0 inawe yekuti we have roots when y is equal to 0. Saka nichida kuwana maroots kana kuti masolutions a quadratic equation, y should be equal to 0 kana kuti the function of x should be equal to 0. Saka this part is very important. Let y be equal to 0, because using this assumption tinobva tawana maroots edu kuti x is equal to 3 twice. Tawana maroots edu kudaro, what else do we want to do? Chii chimwe chatiri kuda kuita? Chimwe chatiri kuda kuita ndeichi, tiri kuda kuti y handika is equal to x minus 3 squared. Zvatati zvoreva kuti y is equal to x minus 3, x minus 3, like that. So let us expand. Kana kuti, expand these brackets. Y in get equal to x times x, that's x squared, x times minus 3 into minus 3x, minus 3 times x into minus 3x, and minus 3 times minus 3, that's plus 9. Saka y is equal to x squared minus 3x minus 3x into minus 6x plus 9. Andika? Tadai, turikuona kuti a is equal to 1, because a should be the coefficient kana kuti multiplier ya x squared. So a is equals to 1. Kana a is equal to 1, a is greater than 0, kureva kuti tine minimum turning point. Allow me kungoti TP, but mimi should write in full turning point. Satani zvinhu zviviri panapa. Takuziva kuti we have a minimum turning point. Takuziva futi kuti we have repeated roots. X is equals to 3. There's something else I want to do panapa. We learned something very important. Takadzidza kuti tino complete say square. Ndokudzidza zvakare kuti pakucomplete kwedu square tinobva tawana the coordinates of the turning point. Manje tisataenda kure, the coordinates of the turning point panapa are obvious. Ma coordinates a turning point ndi 3 0. Why tati ndi 3 0? Because we have a repeated root anova 3, and we know that when x is equal to 3, y is going to be equal to 0. But we want to use the method of completing the square to prove our thesis, because kana tichinzi tisketch magraphs tinofanirwa kugona kusketch a graph tichisaita zvinhu zvitatu. Chekutanga maroots, turning point ne coordinates of the turning point. So let me use a different color panapa. Tiri kuti taudza kuti y is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 9. Handika? Zvinoreva izvo kuti y inge iri equal to chi? panapa what are we going to do? We are going to factor out the coefficient of x squared, but since coefficient of x squared is 1, we factor out hakuna net effect. Saka takubva pa step number 1 yatakadzidza pa completing the square yeku factor out the coefficient of x squared. Takuenda pa step number 2 yatichaita add and immediately subtract half of the coefficient of x squared. Saka tiri kuti chi x squared andika minus 6x, we are adding chi minus 6 over 2 squared, immediately subtracting minus 6 over 2 squared, forgive me, ndakufangwa kudai so, then tadai so toti chi plus 9 like that. Kurevei kureva kuti y inge iri equal to, we take the first and third terms tengetanan x plus, then panapa 2 into minus 6 and minus 3, so it's x plus minus 3 squared, then up it's minus, then up to 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 6, that's 3, minus 3 squared, the 9, so it's minus 9 plus 9. Kureva kuti y inge iri equal to chi, y it's equal to x minus 3 squared, then it's actually plus 0. Remember zvatakadzidza takati kuti tiwane the coordinate of x tichatora zviri mukati mebracket toti it's equal to 0. Kureva kuti x inenge iri equal to chi to 3, and for y tinongotora zviri kunze y is equals to 0. Kureva kuti turning point yedu macoordinates acho ndi 3 0 like zvatatsanangura paya paya. Kana takuda kuita write down this curve hazvichatinetse nekuti tinenge takungodai so. This is obviously x, this is y. What are our roots? The 3. Saka pano pana maroots edu apa. And when we talk about our turning point, turn out it's a minimum turning point, and my coordinates actually 3 0 inongo apa. So it's going to be like this. Like this. Kana yadai so tinenge tatopedza. Sachananga nchida kuemphasize, naida kuemphasize kushandisa completing the square kuti tuwane the coordinates of the turning point. Now in our school tinotarisa, that's our school, the mathematics institute unasendi, tinotarisa ma different types of errors. Tinema errors of principle, tinema negligent errors, tinema errors of commission, omission, etc. But zvatoda kutarisa yako zvino, it's not particularly an error, but it's just something we want to correct on the work of one of our students. This is the work of one of our students. Ndakati watch the video I will produce, and this is the tutorial, this is the video. Saka panapa ndakati there is no need panapa, absolutely no need of doing this, because what the student did, the student expanded x minus 3 squared, but paku expanda x minus 3 squared, student yedu yakangodzokera pachi pamaroots aya x equals to 3 or 3, ndosaka ndati you looped back. Saka kana makatopiwa yakadai so, makatopiwa yakati y is equal to x minus 3 squared, zivai kuti inenge yakatofactorizwa kudhara. Saka chenyu mimi kwava kungoti chi y is equals to x minus 3, x minus 3. Zvokosha kutiudza kuti let y be equal to 0 kuitira kuti mujustify 0 yamaishandisa panapa iyi. So apa makaita loop back because makatanga ma expanda muka factorize futi asi mimi makatofactorizirwa kudhara. So this is not an error per se, but it's just a technical glitch yandati ndikugadzirisei. That said, this is the end of our lesson. If you want to join our school to learn pure mathematics at advanced level, you can WhatsApp us on the following number, +26371 521 3310. As if you are in Zimbabwe, you can better use 071 5213310. Those who also have questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments or approach us in our WhatsApp. Thank you and have a nice day.